Let us start CBSE Mathematics Class 10th, Chapter 5, Exercise number 5.2, Question number 8. You see, the question number 8 states that if an AP consists of 50 terms, of which the third term is 12 and the last term is 106, find the 29th term. This is the question number 8. So here you see the third term means A3, that is A plus 3 in bracket 3 minus 1 into D, that is 12. And the 50th term is A plus 50 minus 1 into D, that is equal to 106. So the first equation will be, just solve it, you will get A plus 2D, that is equal to 12. And the second equation, you will get A plus 49D is equal to 106. Just by subtracting, you can find the value of D, means common difference, that will be equal to 2. Now substitute the value of D in the first equation. In this, you will get A plus 2 into 2, that is equal to 12. So A will be equal to 12 minus 4, that is 8. So now we have to find out the 29th term. Now substitute the value for 29th term here. A plus 29 minus 1 bracket closed into D. So 8, that is your first term A, that is 8 plus 28 into 2. 2 is that common difference which we have worked out earlier, you see. So substitute these values. So 8 plus 56, that will be 64. This will be the answer of the question number 8. Now proceed to the question number 9. If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? We have to find out which term of this AP is 0. Let us see. Third term, that is A3, it will be equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is 4. And ninth term, that is A plus 9 minus 1 into D is equal to minus 8. So the first equation, if you solve it, you will get A plus 2D is equal to 4 and A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Here I have solved this equation, simultaneous two variables linear equation. So by cross multiplication method I have used here. You see, A will be equal to 8 into 4 means left to up, LU, left to up, minus left to down. Here already it is one minus is there, so 2 into minus 8, that is minus 16, and again minus is there already in formula, so it will become 16. Now to find out the denominator part of it, you just cover the constant term and cross multiply, means 1 into 8, 1 into 8, that is 8, minus 2 into minus 2 into 1, that is 1 into 2, that is minus 2. So you will get 48 by 6 here. So 8, that will be the value of 8, meaning first term will be 8. Now similarly you can find out the value of common difference, that is D. Here if you want to find out the D, then recover the D part and cross multiply it. For this, LD means left to down first. So 1 into minus 8, that is minus 8. And LU, minus LU means 1 into minus 4, 1 into 4 and minus in the formula is there. So minus 4 whole divided by, same denominator will come here, 8 minus 2. So that is minus 12 by 6, that will be equal to minus 2. So let the nth term be 0. So we have to find the term whose value will be equal to 0. So let a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. Now substitute the value of a, that is a is equal to 8, and substitute the value of d, that is minus 2. So solve it, you will get n minus 1 will be equal to 4. Therefore, n will be equal to 4 plus 1. That is, the fifth term is 0. Now proceed to the question number 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. You see, it is given that the 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7. So I have written a plus 17 minus 1 into d, bracket closed. In the second bracket I have written, in between that minus is there because it exceeds. So a plus 10 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 7. So 16d minus 9d is equal to 7. So 7d is equal to 7. Therefore, the d will be equal to 7 by 7, that is 1. This will be the answer for question number 10. Now proceed to the question number 11. Which term of the AP? And it is given that 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than the 54th term. You see, question number 11, AP is given, that is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so. Here from this AP we can find the value of a, that is equal to 3, and common difference, that is 15 minus 3, that is 12. So let nth term exceeds the 54th term by 132. So for nth term I have written here, see, 3 plus n minus 1 into 12, bracket closed, minus, in second bracket, 3 minus 3 plus 54 minus 1 into 12, bracket closed, is equal to 132. So this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. Now we are left with n minus 1 minus 54 plus 1, bracket closed, into 12 equal to 132. So n minus 54, you solve it, 1 and 1 will be cancelled. So n minus 54 is equal to 132 divided by 12, it will be equal to 11. So n will be equal to 54 plus 11. So it will be equal to again 65th term. This will be the answer. Now proceed to the question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Now see here, the 100th term I have written here. Let A1 is the first term of the first arithmetical series, and in both the cases the common difference is the same, it is mentioned already. So A1 plus 100 minus 1, bracket closed, into D, whole closed by bracket, minus, in the second bracket I have written A2 means the first term for the second arithmetical series, plus 100 minus 1 into D. The common difference is the same, that is why I have written D and D here, both places. And it is given that it is 100. So from here you can work out, you see, 100 minus 1 into D, 100 minus 1 into D, both are the same thing, but there is a minus. So hence it will be cancelled. Now we are left with A1 minus A2 is equal to 100. Now according to the question, the thousandth term means a1 plus thousands minus 1 into d bracket closed minus a2 plus thousands minus 1 into d. So this 1000 minus 1 into d and 1000 minus 1 into d, these two both will be cancelled because there is minus. So now we are left with a1 minus a2, a1 minus a2. Its value is already worked out, that is a1 minus a2 is 100. So substitute that a1 minus a2 is equal to 100. This will be the answer. So we have solved with the question number 12. Now proceed to the question number 13. This is how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So 3-digit numbers start from 100 and ends on 999. So 100 divided by 7 will reach the 14 and 2 by 7. So it indicates that the 15th multiple of 7 will start after 100, means that is 15 7 is 105. Similarly, for 999 divided by 7, we will get 142 and 5 by 7. So here we will not proceed further because we will enter in the four-digit number. That is why I have to curtail. I have to end the multiplication of 7 up to this place only. 142 into 7, that will be the 994. So our starting number will be 105. Common difference will be 7 and the last number will be 994. So here I have mentioned here, you see a is equal to 105, d is equal to 7 and last term will be 994. So the numbers of 3-digit divisible by 7, say let n. So 105 plus n minus 1 into 7 should be equal to 994. So n minus 1 will be equal to 994. You just transpose this 105 to this side. So 994 minus 105 divided by 7. You will work on this. You will get 127. So that to work out the value of n means the 1 plus means 1 minus 1. N minus 1 is 127. Therefore the n will be equal to 1 plus 127, that is 128. There are 128 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. This will be the answer. Now proceed to the question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? We have to work out the number of the multiples of 4 lying between 10 and 250. So again I have used the same technique, that is 10 divided by 4, that is 2 and 1 by 2. This will give you the number of multiples. Start with 3 4 is 12, means that will be the our first term. 250 divided by 4, again we will get the quotient 62 and 1 by 2. So we will just curtail our or confine our multiples up to 62 to a multiples, that is 62 into 4, that will be 248. So the AP will be 12, 16, 20 and at the last term will be 248. So common difference is 4. Now 12 plus n minus 1 into 4 should be equal to 248. So work out n minus 1. This will be equal to 248 minus 12 divided by 4. So it will become 236 divided by 4. Again you will get 59. So now this is n minus 1. So therefore the n will be equal to 1 plus 59, that is 60th term. Now proceed to the question number 15. For what value of n or the nth term of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 equal? For what value of n or the nth term of two APs, that is first AP is 63, 65, 67 and second AP is 3, 10 and 17 and so on equal. Now you see I have written the first AP, that is 63, 65, 67. Second AP start from 3, 10 and 17 and so on. Let nth term of these two APs are equal. Therefore, from the first APs, you see the 63, that is your first term. So 63 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 65 minus 63, 65 minus 63, that is D, equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference, that is 10 minus 3. I have mentioned here 10 minus 3. So work out, you will get 63 as it is, n minus 1 as it is, 65 minus 63, that is common difference is 2. Here in this case 3 is the first term plus n minus 1 and 10 minus 3, that is 7, that is common difference. So after solving you will get n minus 1 and n minus 1 common, and 7 minus 2 I have taken it, 7 minus 2. On the other side I have taken 63 minus 3, 63 minus 3, and that will be the 60 divided by 5. You see, work out with the 7 minus 2, that will be 5. So n minus 1 will be equal to 60 divided by 5, that will be equal to 12. So number of terms will be, the nth term means the number of terms, that is equal to 1 plus 12, that is equal to 13. This will be the answer for question number 15. Now proceed to the question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Now you see here, it is already given whose third term, means the third term is a plus 3 minus 1 into d, that is 16. Further solve it, you will get a plus 2d is equal to 16. This will be our first equation. And according to the question, you see, means the seventh term minus fifth term is 12. So I have written here for seventh term a plus 7 minus 1 into d, bracket closed. In the second bracket I have mentioned for the fifth term, that is a plus 5 minus 1 into d, bracket closed, that should be equal to 12. So solve it, you will get from here 6d, from here you will get 4d equal to 12. So just subtract it, you will get 2d equal to 12. So d will be equal to 6. Now substitute this value in the above equation. Put the value of d here. So a plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. So a will be equal to 16 minus 12, that is 4. Now the first term is 4 and common difference is 6. So the APs will be 4, 10, 16, 22, 28. You see, this is the first term. First term is 4 and common difference is 6. So just keep on adding. Adding 6 plus 4, you will get 10. And again 10 plus 6, common difference, that is 16. 16 plus 6, that is 22, and so on. Now proceed to the question number 17. You see, find the 20th term from the last term of the APs of 3, 8, 13 and 253. So we have to find the 20th term from the last term, means in the reverse order. You see, the APs is given 3, 8, 13 and 253. So here A is 3, D is 8 minus 3, that is 5. But while we will start this difference, common difference will become minus. You see, I have written in the reverse AP. Reverse AP will start from 253, 248, 243, 238 and so, and it will end at 3. So A will be equal to 253. Common difference will be 248 minus 253, that will be equal to minus 5. So we have to find out the 20th term from the last term, you can say. So 253 plus 20 minus 1 in bracket, you in place of common difference, that is minus 5. So solve it, you will get 253 minus 95. You see, 20 minus 1, 19. 19 into 5 minus 95. So you will get 158. Means the 20th term will be 158. Now come to the question number 18. The sum of the 4th and the 8th term of an AP is 24. And the sum of the 6th and the 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. You see, according to the question, it is given that A means the 4th term plus A8 means 8th term is equal to 24. And secondly, the 6th term plus 10th term is 44. So for here, for A4 means I have written here the A plus 4 minus 1 into D, bracket closed, plus A plus 8 minus 1 into D in the second bracket. So for A8 means 8th term, then that should be equal to 24. Here you see, for the 6th term means A plus 6 minus 1 into D, bracket closed, plus A plus 10 minus 1 into D, and it should be equal to 44. You solve it, you will get here, you see, A plus A, that is 2A, and 4 minus 1, that is 5, and here 8 minus 1, that is 7, here 4 minus 1, that is 3, and here 8 minus 1, that is 7. So 7 plus 3, that is 10. So it will be equal to 24. So 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Here you solve, you see A plus A, that is 2A. Now 6 minus 1, that is 5. 5D, from here you will get 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 9D plus 5D, that is equal to 14D. I have mentioned here. So 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. If further solve it by dividing it by 2, you will get A plus 7D is equal to 22. Here also, if you divide the both sides by 2, you will get A plus 5D is equal to 12. So now you have got two equations, A plus 7D is equal to 22. Here you see A plus 7D is equal to 22. From here you will get A plus 5D is equal to 12. So I have solved it by cross multiplication method. A is equal to 22 into 5 means left to up. For A, while we are solving, you just cover the A and cross multiply the coefficient of D, that is 5 into 22 means left to up LU minus LD. So 22 into 5. Or now minus LD means minus 7 into 12. Minus 7 into 12. To work out the denominator part, you cover the constant part. Cover the constant part. Now cross multiply the coefficient of A and D. So 1 into 5, that is I have written 5, minus left to up means 1 into 7. So minus 7 I have mentioned here. So again you see 5 minus 7, you will get 110 of minus 84 divided by minus 2. So solve it, you will get minus 13. For A, that is first term will be minus 13. Now for D, again I have used the same cross multiplication method. While you are finding the D, you just cover the D part and cross multiply left to down LD minus LU means 1 into 12 minus 1 into 22. 1 into 22. Whole divided by the same denominator will come, that is 5 minus 7. So minus 10 divided by minus 2, that will be equal to 5. So common difference is 5. First term is equal to minus 13. So I have written here the first term is minus 13. Now add 5 to 13. You will get minus 8. Now again add common difference, that is 5. You will get minus 3 and so on. Now proceed to the question number 19. Subha Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? You see, the first term is given here, that is 5,000. Common difference, that is 200. So 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 200, this is common difference and this is the first term. So it should be equal to last, that is 7,000. So solve it here. You will get, you see, you will get here, just I have cancelled 2 0 from this, 2 0 from this, 2 0 from this. So we are left with the 50 plus n minus 1, 2 equal to 70. Again I have divided it by 2. Both sides, left and right side. So this will become 25. N minus 1, that is 2 will be cancelled when divided, and 70 divided by 2, that will be the 35. So 25 plus n minus 1 will be equal to 35. So here I have mentioned n minus 1 is equal to 35 minus 25, that will be n is equal to 10 plus 1, that is 11. So the years in 1995 plus 11, it will be the year will be 2006. Means in the 11th year, his salary will reach up to 7,000. This will be the answer of question number 19. Now proceed to the question number 20, which state that Ram Kali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving becomes rupees 20.75, find n. Now you see, A is given, the first term is given, that is 5. Common difference is 1.75. The last term is given, that is 20.75. So 5 plus n minus 1 into 1.75 should be equal to 20.75. So transpose this 5 to this side and divide it by 1.75. You see, n minus 1 will be equal to 20.75 minus 5 whole divided by 1.75. You will get 15.75 divided by 1.75, it will be equal to 9. So n will be equal to n1 plus 9, that is 10. This will be the answer. The value of n will be equal to 10.